Hi, this video will show about our LHDT 150 meters extender. So here I have it set up. Basically, I have a HDMI signal generator, which right now I have HDCP 2.3, and the resolution is using 4K 60. And then HDMI output then go to the transmitter here. So on the transmitter side, right now I have a DC power, then the Cat6 output cable. So here's a 150-meter cable, and another side is connected to the receiver here. So on the receiver side, right now I have dual HDMI output. I connect to these two monitors here. Then I have one LAN cable, and it's going to be connected with the transmitter. And right now we can see it's working no problem, right? 4K, but for the output is only can up to 1080p. And here's the introduction about this product. And basically, we have the on the transmitter side, we have HDMI input, HDMI loop out, and LAN cable. And on the front panel, we have the deep switch, also bidirectional IR. On the receiver, we have dual HDMI output, and then we have bidirectional IR as well. And this is the deep switch, which we can use for the settings on the transmitter side. Okay, so we can check it out how it works on the front panel. So this is the receiver, and we have bidirectional IR, and this is the deep switch transmitter side. So transmitter side also the same like the deep switch. We're using 4K HDID. So basically, I can get the 4K input to transmitter, but then it will just convert down to the 1080p 60. Okay, thank you.